Yeah. Yeah, man, say. Just I watch the news and see where the world tweet, millions of tweet about one police dog were dead at France. And thousands of people are dead in Nigeria for the past year, 6 months. And you don't get that amount of tweet. You don't get that amount of response from nobody. Anyway, on another level, I'm gonna look upon the meaning of charity. In Jamaica, where I was brought up, I was taught that the meaning of charity is to basically help by all means or assist the needy, whosoever that person who is needy is, regardless. You understand me? Regardless of background or anything like that, because it's a human being. See? But I come to realize, say, in England, there's a new and different definition to the whole meaning of charity. You see me? It's not like I go around and I look charity still, I'm gonna explain the meaning, the definition of a word. You see what I mean? As far as we common people know it. But in England, if you go in a charity place, any charity organization, and I look help, see, first thing them will ask you for is your national insurance number. And if you don't have that, you can't get no help. That's where it stops for you. No matter how much need you're in, your skin could have burn off. See? Alright, watch this again. The freedom explanation is whatever them do for anybody, them have to collect it back from the government through the social funding system. So I say, so basically, charities in England can only help a citizen, a British, with them national insurance number. See? Yeah, that's a number one. Alright now. On a level in regards to Jamaican. See? Myself, Jamaican. Number one, when you apply for indefinite leave to remain nowadays, them give 2 years and 6 months and send come back come tell you say it's a 10-year path to leave to remain. So you can't actually get leave to remain until 10 years time, and it's the likelihood is there that you're only gonna get 2.5 years again after that 2.5 year is expired. And the possibility, strong possibility is there that you might not be renewed. You get me, according to how your wage stay and how your development, according to how you abide by certain rules that was set out for you as Jamaican. You're not entitled to public fund, no public assistance whatsoever. When you apply for your visa and things like that, you have to pay in advance for the NHS or for the NHS that you might have used in the past. But whether or not some people they even use it, some people use it in a wrong name and still have to pay. So them still know, say, them still pay anyway, whether or not you're up on the system as of using the National Health Service. See? Alright. You have to pay for that or else your application failed in the first place. So you have to get that sorted out of the way. See? I don't know in comparison to like an English person or a European person, how much Jamaican pay tax, how much more Jamaican pay. See, in terms of tax, income tax, but I know we pay a great deal. You see me? Big amount, more than regular. See? Alright, but a European can come in England, a German, a Russian, I'm not quite sure about Russian, but anybody from the European Union, French and them people, the EU can come in England and just reside, live, pick up residency, start apply for benefits and things like that, social funding, housing and things like that. Never go up on the tax system yet or anything like that, and You know, me nah say them not forget it or whatever, or them not deserve it. So me I say, but just explain to you how the rest of the world live and benefit and can develop themselves in England while a Jamaican can't. Seeing how many setback is there and in consideration for Jamaicans in an Africa aspect, a development where it is available to other nationality. I not complain and I not say, seeing me just put it out there, saying, oh no, I want the people them or whoever watch this, make for them opinion, come to for them conclusion of the thing. Seeing Europeans, EEA nationals can claim for a relative when they're back home in Europe. Seeing whenever come to England yet and them thing there. Seeing while a Jamaican can get advice. Jamaican is not entitled to advice from any official whatsoever where the issue might be concerned. You see what I say? Because like me go to the housing now and I need somebody for point out the fact and I recognize personnel for the point out the fact so well then I am in a certain position and need a certain attention. You understand me as a Jamaican? You see what I say? The circumstances very detrimental, which the official admitted and understood, but can't and won't do anything because I am not entitled to public funding.